Hey guys, so before we get started today, I want to just review a little bit with your math. You're going to have a quiz today that you're going to take or a progress check. So I just want to make sure that we go over a couple things that I saw that you guys are still struggling with. Okay, so oh, I'm going to move it over because it's going to get kind of big. We're going to look at regrouping real fast. Okay, some of you might be able to do this in your head. Some of you might be drawing pictures. Either way is fine. Okay. All right, so let's take a look. So if I have 3 hundreds, 14 tens, and 4 ones, I'm going to picture it like this. 3 of those hundreds, remember these have 100 little squares stuck together. 14 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 4 ones. Remember that 10 tens make 100, so I can turn those 10 tens into 100. So how many tens do I, or how many hundreds do I have now? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds, because remember, I can move that one over there. Now I have 4 hundreds, 4 tens, because that one stayed, those 4 tens can't be regrouped, and I still have 4 ones. Those are equal to each other. Okay. Remember in that regrouping, if you can move, if you have 2 digits in your tens, you can move that front digit over. Those 10 tens can make 1 more hundred. 20 tens, 2 hundreds. 30 tens, 3 hundreds, and so on and so forth. If you need to, guys, draw a picture. It's okay to draw pictures. It's not a big deal. All right, if it's going to help you, I want you guys to keep doing that so that you can start seeing it in your head. All right, so today in math, like I said, you're taking a quiz. You need to work on this independently. Your parents should not be helping. I need to see what you know so that I need to see what if I need to reteach some things, okay? All right, so here you're going to write the number that's missing. If you have 30 tens, how many of those hundreds flats can you make? Remember, how many of these can you make? All right, if you have 600 ones, I'm sorry, if you have 600, how many ones will that make? Okay, this is that regrouping I just talked about. You need to regroup those tens into hundreds, write the new number, and then write the number name. This on this line should be words only. Okay, all right. Regroup if needed. If you have enough tens to regroup into 100, do that. Write the new number and then write the name on the line. Okay. The name for the new number. This is what you have. If you have enough tens to make some hundreds, regroup those tens into hundreds. Write the new number that you have and then write the name. All right. Remember, this long line should be words, just like your name is made with letters, so is the name of that number. Look at the underlined digit and write how much it's worth. So that 3 is underlined, write how much that 3 is worth, whether it's 330 or 3. Okay, go ahead and do that on those. Then you're going to use the numbers in this box to do numbers 10, 11, and 12. Okay, it's going to ask you a question. You're going to use one of these 3 numbers for this one, another number, and another number. Those are the 3 numbers. Okay, when you're finished, you'll turn the page. It says write each number in expanded form. Okay, expanded form is when you put the hundreds plus the tens plus the ones. Then they want you to write the number itself. Same for 14 and for 15. Write it in expanded form first and then write the number. Here, write the number. 300 plus 50 is what number? Okay, down here, you're going to read the story problem and solve it. You've got room here to make a picture. If you don't have enough room, get your whiteboard out. Okay, remember with story problems, draw it out to make sure that you're visualizing it the right way. So you're going to do that for number 20, 21, and 22. 21 is an estimation. You're thinking of the best estimate. All right, guys? If you have any questions, have your parents reach out to me.